A very good day to you people. My name is Mohit, and guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an unordered bulleted list without the use of any image at all. Although we'll not be using any image, guys, we'll be using the colon before pseudo element. We'll also be using the character map, which will then kinda sorta work like the image. We'll soon see how. Right. Guys, let me first insert a div tag. Let me give it an ID of bullets and straight away say OK. Let me remove the text inside the div, and after clicking on this icon out here, let me insert let me create a list. So item 1, enter, item 2, enter, item 3, enter, item 4. Right. So guys, as you can see, inside the opening and the closing div tags, we have the opening and the closing UL tags, inside which we have the opening and the closing LI tags, 4 of them in fact. Right. Okay. Guys, the first thing that we wish to do is we need to remove the standard or the default bullet, and then we'll add one of our own. So the first part involves removing the bullet, and the second part involves creating or inserting our own bullet. Again, the challenge is to do it without using any image. Let's see how. Guys, making sure that the first item is selected, let me click on this plus button to insert a new CSS rule. The contextual selector is automatically set to compound, and what I need to do here is, as far as the selector name is concerned, delete li. So the rule that we are going to create will apply to only the ul inside the # bullets ID. Cool. Let me say OK, and then let me go to the list category and say list style type to be a none. Let's set it to be a none. Let's say OK. Guys, you should notice that the standard or the default bullet has actually disappeared. So that's taken care of part number 1. Now, as I said, part number 2 involves inserting our own custom bullet without using any image. Let me select item number 1, click on this plus button once again. Okay. And let me add out here li colon before. Now guys, this rule will apply to all li items that are within the ul, that are within the # bullets, and by adding that colon before pseudo element, we will ensure that we can prefix some content before the li items or the list items. That is what the colon before pseudo element does. It allows us to add some content. It could be some text or some picture before the list items, or it could be before any other element as well, but in our case, in our example, it's just before the list item. Let me then say OK, and OK once again, guys, because I'll be hand coding this rule out. So this is the rule that I need to hand code, guys. Let me hit enter out here, and let me say content. Now, as I said, this property, content property, will allow me to add some content, could be a text or a picture, right? For example, guys, if I were to add, let's say, the @ symbol, that's how I would do it. So I would need to put the @ character inside the quotes, and let me take a live view and show it to you. Guys, as you can see, the @ symbol has been inserted just before the items. Fine, let me come with the live view. But in our case, guys, as I said, I'll be using the character set, the character map. So let me bring in the character map. So there is the character map, guys, or else you can type character map out here, okay, out in this field, and it should come up. So guys, the character map that we have in front of us has certain characters that are really good candidates to be bullets. For example, this one. Now this character if you look down below here, we are interested in the code that's showing up, the last 4 characters of the code which are showing up here, 0000BB. Now that's the code that I'm really interested in. I'll show you how I can actually insert this double right arrow. All you need to do is that after the content property, put a colon out there, and inside the inverted quotes you need to put a backslash, right, and then 00BB. Make sure that it's capital B, guys. And let me take a live view, guys. As you can notice that now we have the double right pointing arrows inserted just before the items. And just in case, guys, you would want a space, what I would do is I would actually add some right margin. I think that's the best option. So I'll click on this rule, bullets ULLI colon before, and go to the box category and apply some right margin. Let's say 10 pixels of right margin. Say OK. And guys, as you can see, all the 4 items have been displaced towards the right hand side. Cool. So guys, in this manner I can actually use certain characters, pull them out of the character map, and use it out here. Let's bring in one more character that I think is a good candidate to be a bullet. Yeah, how about this black spade symbol? Right, guys, as you can see out here in the bottom left corner, it says U plus 2660, and I'm really interested in this number 2660. All I need to do is just replace these 4 digits with the 2660, and let's see what difference does it actually make. It puts the spade sign just before all the 4 items. Alright, so guys, go through this character map, pull out anything that you find suitable for being a bullet, okay, for your document. There are so many characters out here. I'm sure you can pull out something impressive. So guys, how did you like this tutorial? Again, this is the second tutorial that I've done which employs the colon before pseudo element and does not use any image, and still we have an unordered bulleted list. I'll see you next time very soon, guys. You have a good day. Peace.